Hello and welcome back to another episode of Words Well Read, where words rule and we make learning fun. It's time to tidy up your vocabulary with two words that are sure to make your conversations more interesting. Our first word is titivate. Titivate means to improve the appearance of something by making small changes or adding decorative touches. For example, you could titivate a room by hanging up some artwork or rearranging the furniture to make it look more appealing. Or you can titivate your garden with some colorful flowers. Here's a sentence example for this word. He wanted to titivate his car, so he gave it a fresh coat of paint and added some new rims. Our second word is rancid. Rancid. This describes something that has gone bad and has an unpleasant smell or taste. It can also be used to describe something that is offensive or distinctly unpleasant. For instance, if you leave a piece of cheese out in the heat for too long, it will become rancid and have a sour odor that's hard to ignore. Here's a sentence example. The bag of chips had been left open for too long and had become rancid. So, when you titivate something, you're making it more attractive and appealing, while rancid things are the opposite. They are unpleasant and unappealing. By learning these two words, you can better express your ideas and opinions on what looks good and what doesn't. Next time you're trying to improve the appearance of your home or describing a bad smell, use the words titivate and rancid to impress your friends and family. That's all for this video, folks. If you enjoyed watching this video and learned something new, please like, comment, share and subscribe, and we will see you in the next episode of Words Well Read. Thanks for watching.